we know for a fact, sir, na yung mga nakaraang mga buwan, gumulong po yung proseso sa Timor-Leste at nagkaroon po ng mga hearing sa korte po doon. At nagkaroon po ng mga desisyon na nag-prevent po para po mapa-uwi si Congressman Arnulfo Teves dito po sa Pilipinas. Ano po nangyari? Bakit po ngayon ay nandito na siya kasama po natin ngayon?
Yun nga po, tulad ng sinabi ko sa magandang pakikipag-ugnayan ng ating Pangulo, ni President Bongbong Marcos, sa Presidente ng Timor-Leste, si President Jose Ramos Horta, ayun po, nag-decide po ang government ng Timor-Leste to finally turn over to us si Congressman Teves so that he can answer all the charges against him. Ganun po, kasimple lang ho yun. Yun. With that, the SOJ, Secretary Remulla ay nag-form agad ng team. Kami nga po at sinundo na namin sa Timor-Leste si Congressman Teves.
Director, last query nila po. Tapos na po tayo sa mga procedures, mugshots, fingerprints. Ano po yung susunod na step po? Dito po ba siya ikukulong at or sa ibang facility? At bakit po doon po pala sa may mga information po na baka sa Bucor po gagawin po yung pagkulong?
Thank you and good morning, Director, and to the media. As a matter of procedure, we will be preparing and submitting a return of the warrant of arrest, informing the issuing court that we have arrested and in custody of the person of Arnulfo Teves. From there, we will temporarily detain the person of the accused before our detention facility in Bucor, Muntinlupa. This is a separate facility from the Bureau of Corrections. This one is being supervised and maintained by the National Bureau of Investigation. After our return, the court, of course, acquires jurisdiction and the processes will now proceed.
Yes, liwanagin ko rin, maraming nagtatanong sa akin, Sir, bakit Bucor? Mga convicted lang ang itina-turn over doon. Ganito po yan. Kami po, magmula ng gibain ang building namin sa Top Avenue, wala po kaming detention facilities. So nakipag-coordinate kami with Bucor, pahiramin kami ng space doon. So binigay sa amin ng Building 14. That Building 14 is distinct and separate from the Bucor na kung saan yung mga convicted ay nakakulong. Kaya yun po ang ginagamit namin. Kaya wag po kayong mamangha na bakit Bucor, no? Detention facility po yun ng NBI under our control. Tao po namin na nakabantay doon. Ganun po.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you for that information and clarification, Director, sir. Next. We limit to one question and one follow-up, please.
Yes po. Mads po from Net25. Sir, i-clear ko lang po, si Cong Teves po ay pinauwi dahil undocumented foreign national siya, not because of the extradition request of the Department of Justice po.
Kasama na yun, meron tayong request, but then nag-file sila ng appeal sa korte doon at lumabas nga na parang dinideny yun, but then we further coordinated with the government, the Timor-Leste government, through our very own president. Remember, during the last week lamang, nasa Malaysia si Presidente at nagkausap sila ni Timor-Leste President. So, eto na po yung naging bunga ng magandang pakipagtunguhan ng dalawang bansa through our respective presidents.
Okay. Director, can we also ask po, Cong Teves, is it okay po?
Tingnan natin kung sasagot siya. Sige po.
Hi, sir. Sir, how do you feel now po na after 2 years, finally you're back in the country po? And how do you feel na, kasi di ba meron kayong pending pa na appeal for asylum, tapos inuwi po kayo, pinayagan po ng Timor-Leste government na makabalik kayo sa Pilipinas despite na pending pa yung appeal?
Yes, because actually, dun kasi,
I've been there for 2 years. I know quite how the government there works, no? So, there's this judicial thing, but there is also what they call it something like political, which is the government. Oh. Iba pa yung ano ha? Iba pa yung presidente doon, iba pa yun sa government. Eh. Government there is different. Their president is something like ano lang, parang king ba, para siyang figurehead, yes. So, there are several factors there which are distinct and separate, but as to who is more powerful, and I cannot say anymore, no? Because sa totoo lang, I just won with finality my case in extradition, but they used another thing about expulsion, which technically I still had a few days to reply, but hindi ko alam ano nangyari. So, sige na lang, tapos na yun. I mean, useless discussing things, I mean, over spilled milk, no? But, sa totoo lang, of course, malungkot ako dahil, siyempre, makukulong ako na habang, makukulong ako. So, kahit hindi pa, di ba, dito kasi, makukulong ka kahit hindi ka pa convicted, no? But, may mga ano naman yun, si Attorney Ferdy na bahala. But what I'm saying, on the other hand, I'm also glad that I haven't seen my mother for 2 years. My father died last December. Hindi naman lang ako nakauwi. So it was quite painful. And also, at least, umaano na rin. Matapos na rin. Dahil kahit nung nandun ako, inisip ko, kung hindi man ako umuwi, haharapin, kailangan pa rin ito matapos eh. Ito lang sana yung request ko sa sa korte na sana mabilis yung kaso. Dahil sa totoo lang, kung tatrabaho rin talaga yung kaso, sandali lang matapos kung ano. So, yun lang yung ano. Anyway, I believe in, I trust my lawyers very well. I know my conscience is clear. So, ang sa akin lang, sana lang mabilis yung proseso. Para matapos na. Diba? Matapos na siya. Para tapos na.
So, just want to get your reaction dun sa naging statement ng government ng Timor-Leste. They were saying that one of the reasons why they decided to deport you is because of the implication of the national security ng bansa nila. Kung baga sinasabi nila, yung pananatili mo doon ay nakaka-apekto sa kanilang security?
Siguro si Atty. Topacio na lang ang mas competent sumagot niyan. Atty. Topacio, sir?
Ano lang.
Yes, okay.
Ganito lang yun. Kung sino man nagsabi nun, you know, everyone in this world are entitled to their own perceptions. Yun lang.
Thank you. Counsel may answer, please.
I affirm the statement of my client. Thank you.
Okay, last na lang po from my end. Sir Teves, you mentioned earlier na you know na darating din naman yung punto na haharapin mo rin itong mga kaso. Why did it take you so long to stay in Timor-Leste? Bakit hindi na lang po natin hinarap ito sa korte?
You know, a lot of you here know me ever since my days in Congress. I'm a very honest and sincere person. I will be very consistent. Even our pleadings in court, I had not had, even now, still have, but of course, here I feel safer with the NBI because pasalamat ako kay Director at sa lahat ng staff ng NBI na maganda yung pagtrato nila sa akin mula nung pagkuha sa akin hanggang ngayon. So, my concern is really my life, my security.
Handa na po kayong harapin si Mayor Janice Digamo?
Wala naman problema. I can face anybody in this world.